everybody, my name is Rayana and welcome to my channel Ramenas the Handcrafted Memories. Today I will show you how to draw with alphabets. There are 26 alphabets. Today I am showing you how to draw with only 4 alphabets, which are A, B, C and D. We don't need any special tools for this. All we need is a paper or book, sketch pen or pencil or pen or any tool which you have. Over here I am using a sketch pen for the better visibility. Let's start. Now I will show you how to make a capital A. First make a slanting line. Make another slanting line in the opposite direction. It should be like and reflection. Now, from the middle of one slanting line, I will make a sleeping line and join it to the other slanting line. With this A, we will make a girl. So now I will make a circle on the head of the A. This is the face of the girl. Now we will make her hair. So on the top of the circle, we will make a sleeping line. Then we will join a curved line for its hair. Like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Now, for the eyes, the nose and the mouth, I will make 2 dots as the eyes, a small half triangle as the nose, and the curve for a smile. Now, I will draw another sleeping line below the sleeping line of the A. This makes the frock of the girl. Over here, we will make designs by adding a few lines. Now, for the hands of the girl, I will make a slanting line and join it with another slanting line. Now, over here, I will make a circle. This completes the hand. We will do the same thing on the other side. Now, for the shoes, I will draw another oval. Now, if you want, you can make a few designs in the frock of the girl. Over here, I am making a heart. Now, I will show you another drawing with the capital A. Again, I will make a slanting line, another slanting line in the opposite direction, and join it with a sleeping line. Now, with this A, we will make a birthday cap. So, at the bottom of the A, I will join it with a sleeping line. Now, I will make a few curves at the bottom. This is the border of the birthday cap. On top, I will add a few strings with the balls. These are the adornments on top of the cap. Now we will make the design. We will make another sleeping line connecting the top and fill it. Now for the design in this area, we will make a few balls like this. On the bottom, we can make any design or write any note. Over here I am writing happy birthday. So we will write NHAPPY and birthday. You can make any designs like hearts, spirals, triangles, or even lines. Now our birthday cap is over. We have made our drawings with A. Now we will go to B. So for making a capital B, I will make a standing line and then make a curve and join it to the middle of the standing line. Again, I will make a curve and join it to the bottom of the standing line. This is a capital B. With this B, we will make a bird. For the beak, we will make a triangle shape like this and make a sleeping line in the middle. Now for the feathers. On the top of the head, we will make 3 lines, 2 slanting lines and a standing line in the middle. Now we will make balls on top of the lines. Over here, we will make the eyes of the bird. Like this. Now, for the wings, I will make a curve and join it with another curve. Now we need to make the tail. So for that, I will make a slanting line over here and make another slanting line over here and join it with a sleeping line. This is the tail of the bird. Now for the legs, I will make 3 curves like this and make only one curve over here for the second leg. Now the bird needs to sit somewhere because it is not flying. So I will make a branch. You can also add a few leaves over here. We can make another thing with B. It is bunny. Bunny is also called as a rabbit. So now we will make the capital B. A standing line. We will make a curve from the top and end it at the middle. Start another curve from the middle and end it at the bottom. Now, as we know, we are making a rabbit. So we will start with the ears. We will make a U-like structure on the top of the B. Again, over here, we are making a ear. Now, we will make the bunny's face over here. So for that, we will make a circle for the eye and fill it with black color. Now, we will make a half triangle for the nose and fill it. For the smile, make a curve. Now, in the body, we will make a hand. So, we will draw a U representing the hand. The bunny also has a tail. So, make a raindrop shape for the tail. The bunny also has a leg. Now we will make a curve from here and join it over here. This is the leg of the bunny. Now our bunny is ready. Next we will make with a C. How to make a C? We will make a curve like this. This is a capital C. With this C, we are making a cat. So, to complete the cat's face, we will continue the curve from here and make it look like a circle. As we know we are making a cat, the cat has ears. So, we make a curvy triangle for the ear. We will do the same thing over here. Now it's time for the eyes. Make 2 circles. Now on the top, Make another small circle inside it and fill it with black color. This is the eyes. Now make a triangle for the nose and fill it. The cat also has hair on the face, so we will make it. Make a slanting line over here, another slanting line over here, and a standing line. We will do the same thing over here. And make a sleeping line in the middle. We can also imagine that the cat is smiling. So, make a curve over here, another curve over here, and a curve in the middle. This is the cat's face. Now we will make the body. So we will start from here and make a curve like this. This is the body. A cat also has a tail. So make a curve like this. Make sure that the cat's tail has proper spacing and it is equal at all areas. Now we will make the leg of the cat. So we will start from here, make 3 curves and join the leg. Do the same thing over here. This is the cat. Now we will make an oval in the cat's body. Now a cat is complete. We can also make another drawing with C. So this time we will make a C in this way. We will just rotate the C. With this C, we will make an umbrella. So we will start from here, make a curve and continue making the curves. This is the bottom of the umbrella. Now, for the design, we will make lines from the middle like this. The umbrella also has a top, so make a small triangle like this. For the handle of the umbrella, make a standing line, a curve over here and continue like this. We can also make a few balls on the point over here for decoration. Now we will make a dog with D. I will show you how to make a capital D. First, we will make a standing line. Start from the top, make a curve and join it on the bottom. As we know we are making a dog with the D, this will be the face of the dog. For the face of the dog, to complete the face of the dog, we will make a small circle and color it. This is the eye. For the nose, we will make a curve and fill it again. Now the dog also has a smile. So we will start a curve from here and end it over here. For the dogs here, make a raindrop shape like this. Now for the body, make a curve like this. It's almost like an oval or a circle. The only thing is that it is not connected together. The D shape is in the middle of it. This is the body. Now make the tail. For the tail, make a slanting line from here and connect it like this. This is the tail. Now for the legs, make a slanting line, join it with a curve. This is the leg. We will do the same thing over here. Now because two legs are behind, the size will be a little smaller. Again for the leg in the front, it will be a little bigger, and another small leg because it is in the back. This is the dog. We can also make another thing with D. This time we will rotate the D. So we will make a curve over here and join it with a sleeping line. This is a D. Now with this D we will make the face of an engineer. This is the cap of the engineer. For the face of the engineer, we will make a curve like this. Then we will make two small circles for the face and a smile. These are the eyes and this is the smile. Now we will make the ear. For that, make a small curve like this. This is also an opposite C. Now on this side, we will make a proper C. These are the ears. Now our engineer is ready. If you want, we can also make a nose like this. Now we will make with. If you like my video, please press the like button below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon for latest notifications. Please put your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. See you again.